Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video I will be showing you how to fix Telegram too many attempts. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. If you are encountering a too many attempts error on Telegram, it typically means that you have tried to register or log into your account multiple times within a short period of time, which triggers Telegram's security system. So there are some steps that you can take to try to fix it. First of all, the simplest solution is to wait for some time, usually around 24 hours. Telegram's security system will reset automatically after this period, allowing you to try logging in again. And after 24 hours, if you didn't get any option to log in again, then use a different device and network. Sometimes an error can be triggered by issues with your device and network, so try to log in from a different device and network to see if the problem will resolve. If not, then you can try to clear cache and data from your mobile device. For that, open up the settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps. From here, search for Telegram, tap on Telegram. From this interface, tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. That will clear the zonk file from your device, which can help resolve the issue. Now go back and check whether the problem is solved or not. And if that still doesn't help you, then you may need to contact to Telegram support for further assistance. For that, open up the Google Chrome on your device. Then on the search URL, type in Telegram support. Then click on the first link. That will take you to this page. Now first of all, you have to describe your problem. Say that you are getting too many attempts error while trying to log into your Telegram account. After you describe your problem, under that you have to enter your email address that you have access to currently, and under that you have to enter your phone number. After that, click on submit button, and within a 24-hour or few days, they will provide you additional guidance and help you troubleshoot the issue. And that is how you can fix too many attempts on Telegram. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.